Good morning, class. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to class. Today's date is Monday, November 9th, 2020. Our topic today is discipline, and our learning objectives are: at the end of this class, you should be able to, number 1, define discipline, number 2, state ways to be disciplined, and number 3, mention places to be disciplined. Okay? Alright, let's look at the definition of discipline. Discipline is a way of training people to obey rules and regulations and to punish them if they do not. Discipline is what? A way of training people to obey rules and regulations and to punish them if they do not obey those rules and regulations. Do you get that? Alright, now let's look at ways to be disciplined. Number 1, keep your words. Number 2, get yourself organized. And number 3, finish what you have started. Okay? Alright, how do you keep your words? You keep your words by doing what you say you will do. Okay? Whatsoever you say you will do, make sure you do it. That is how to keep your words. Now, number 2, how do you get yourself organized? You get yourself organized by comporting yourself, coordinating yourself, and not to be rowdy. Okay? You carry yourself like a queen or like a king. You carry yourself like a prince or like a princess, and not to be rowdy, crying unnecessarily, screaming so loud. No, this is not how to get yourself organized. Okay? You need to coordinate yourself very well. Train yourself to behave well. Okay? Alright, number 3, finish what you have started. How do you do that? Whenever you are doing a particular thing, do not leave it to jump to another thing. Learn to finish what you are doing first before going to another thing. Let's take for example, you are eating food. Is it good to leave your food to go and play? Is it good? No. You have to finish your food before going to play. This is how to finish what you have started. Okay? You need to finish your food before you go and play. Do you get that? Yes. Okay. Now let's look at places to be disciplined. Number 1, the church. Number 2, the mosque. Number 3, the school. And number 4, others. Others include the market, the party venue, the offices, and so on. Okay? In the church and in the mosque, how do we discipline ourselves? Yes? Can someone tell me, how do we discipline ourselves in the church and in the mosque? Okay, in the church and in the mosque, we need to sit down in one place. Okay? We are not supposed to be jumping from one seat to another, distracting people, pinching others. Is it good to do like that? No. We need to train ourselves to be quiet in the place of worship. Okay? Alright. In the school, we need to discipline ourselves not to be fighting one another. Okay? If anybody offends you, what do? You report to your teacher. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much for your time. I want you to go over it once again so that on Monday, as we'll be discussing it, it will not sound new to you. Okay? Have a great day and bye.